Okay, I am off to the airport for my first solo international trip to Portugal. Not only is it my first solo international trip, but it is my first international booking. I have been in Los Angeles for just over a year, and this is my first commercial, and it happens to be out of the country, which is like crazy, and I'm feeling really excited, nervous. I can't wait. Like, I feel ill-prepared, but so prepared for this moment. I'm not quite sure how to describe it. I usually am the type of person who like cuts it really close to getting to the airport, but today I'm 3 hours early for my flight because I just want everything to be perfect. I double, triple, quadruple checked for my passport. Bumps in the road. But, oh, there's my suitcase. It's ready too. Anyway, really excited. I don't even really know what to say because this feels very surreal. I'm gonna try to vlog for part of the trip. Obviously, I can't say what the commercial is for, but I can tell you that I'm going to Portugal, and I can tell you that it's for a commercial. So I'll get the sights. I'm staying at a really nice hotel. I don't know if there's other actors coming from Los Angeles. I don't know if it's just me. I have no idea anything. All I know is that I'm getting on an airplane this morning and flying 15 hours to Lisbon, Portugal. So here we go. Boarded the first leg of the flight to New York. I'm sweating. I'm nervous. It's fine. Everything's fine.
Away from shutting the aircraft door. At that time, we will need all larger electronic devices coming.
Line was like an hour long, but we just made it through. I'm going to baggage claim, and I'm going to find Luis, who's supposed to be picking me up. So let's see what's ahead. I just got to my room in Lisbon. It is absolutely beautiful here. The hotel is called like Palace or something, and I just thought it was a fancy name for a hotel. No, this is an actual like palace. Was a palace? I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna take you guys around and show you because it is incredible. I don't think I've ever stayed at a place this pretty in my entire life. The palace gates. Hello, it's us. The princesses of the palace. Why are there shoes in this bush? Oh my god, there's so many. This is incredible. It's for the drag queen cooking party. I want to come here every day of my life. Look at these little shoes. Okay. We're exploring. I think this is downtown Lisbon. I guess that's what you would, or Central, is that what you call it? Central Lisbon. We've learned a lot of things so far. First of all, lots of great food, pretty cheap shopping, and also not quite sure what the laws are on the road, but certainly not the most pedestrian friendly. They had us get travel insurance for this job, and now we understand why, because we just may die. So I watched a YouTube video and they said that these are good. I think it's called Bilo is what she said. That might be totally wrong. So anyway, she said eggy cream. This cost 50 cents or 50, I don't know how to say that. 0.5 euro. Yeah.
Yeah, let's see how it goes.
Okay.
It's like an eggy cream.
We're trying this eggy cream pastry. Here's this. Here's this. Okay.
It's good.
It's really good. Mmm.
It looks like cheese.
Yeah, but definitely doesn't taste like cheese. Carrie just tried to buy a toothbrush in like the busiest but also the quietest pharmacy in all of Portugal probably. And I think that you had to like take a number to get up. I don't know, but there was just people standing around, but none of them had anything in their hands. And then they just were standing there. There was no rhyme or reason. So anyway, we didn't get a toothbrush. We just gave up. It's fine. We're paying $5 US for these 2 bottles of Portuguese wines. Incredible. Just waiting in my room for Carrie to come. We're about to have a little wine night. We're gonna see how this weighs up to $2 chuck, and I just have a feeling it's going to win. It is truly tough to be me. Okay, we're drinking the white first. Carrie, what's your honest opinion?
It's water wine.
Water wine, 12.5% alcohol, but we say 0% alcohol. Yeah. It's juice. All of my YouTube videos are turning into just me drinking. I swear this isn't a normal thing. It's 7 p.m. and I am so tired. This jet lag definitely caught up with me. I'm gonna order room service, take a shower, and then hopefully be to bed in like an hour because I cannot possibly keep my eyes open any longer. And then fitting tomorrow. So, hey. Okay, so it is Tuesday morning. I have my fitting today. In a little over an hour, they're coming to pick me up. So I'm taking my first solo outing in Portugal to go get a cup of coffee. We are really living on the edge. I just got done with my fitting day. It was a full day. I got picked up at 8:30. Went to the place that I was getting fitted. There was wardrobe there. They were setting up for a shoot. The clients were there, hair and makeup, nails. This is the first shoot where I've had like the full comprehensive experience of a commercial shoot, like the nails and the hair and the makeup. I mean, we did everything today to test for what it's gonna look like tomorrow. And this particular company that we're shooting for is an international company. So the client has representatives from the UK, Germany, and the US for sure. But I think there was more than that was there that I was meeting throughout the day. So it's really, really incredible. I'm so excited. I'm feeling so lucky. The city of Portugal is beautiful, and we are now about to go get dinner as a whole group to kind of kick off tomorrow so everyone's acquainted. Hi, Carrie. Yes?
I should have stayed.
There it is. Ready for tomorrow. Yes! Shoot day. So cool. Just all food. Ooh. I want it all. How to eat a taco?
So much shit from it.
No.
I really wanted to go, but it was
Honest opinion on port wine. Back at the airport. Oh, it's loud. I should have waited till this thing was done. Bye, let's go. I want to go home. I'm finally back in Los Angeles after 20-ish hours of travel, and I already can't wait for my next trip to Europe, and I can't wait for this commercial to come out. It's supposed to be an Easter commercial, so it should be coming out pretty soon. As soon as I see it, I'll be sure to share it with you guys, and hopefully be able to reshare it on this channel, so be sure you ring that bell so you can get notifications of the new videos. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and we'll see you next time.